Imagine a world where life-saving bone marrow transplants are more accessible and effective. Ossium Health is making strides in this direction, and they're set to unveil groundbreaking clinical data at the 66th American Society of Hematology (ASH) annual meeting and exposition in Orlando, Florida, from December 6 to 9, 2025. This bioengineering company has developed a unique bone marrow bank sourced from organ donors, a first of its kind. Their presentation at ASH 2025 will showcase new clinical data, which is generating a lot of excitement in the medical community. Here's what makes this so significant. Ossium's research involves using hematopoietic stem cells derived from the vertebral bodies of deceased organ donors to treat patients with hematologic malignancies. The initial results are promising. In a study of 4 patients, the team observed rapid neutrophil engraftment, platelet recovery, and full donor chimerism. Furthermore, all cases of acute GVHD were successfully managed with steroids, and no chronic GVHD was reported. By day 180, all evaluable patients were alive and relapse-free. This suggests that Ossium's approach could be a game-changer, offering a robust engraftment source while potentially mitigating relapse and GVHD, graft-versus-host disease, a common and often serious complication of bone marrow transplants. The abstract, titled, "High-dose cryopreserved bone marrow from deceased donors may reduce relapse in HLA-mismatched allogeneic transplantation. Day 180 post-transplant hope update," is available online. You can find it under abstract number 5976. The presentation will be given by Dr. Sagar Manjal, MD, MS, the Chief Medical Officer of Ossium Health. The presentation is scheduled for Monday, December 8, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, during poster session 721. Ossium Health's presence at ASH 2025 highlights their commitment to improving the speed, quality, and accessibility of hematopoietic cell transplantation. By presenting their data and engaging with hematology leaders, they aim to raise awareness of the therapeutic advantages of organ donor bone marrow and overcome existing limitations in donor availability. We're excited to share our latest clinical insights with the hematology community at ASH, says Kevin Caldwell, Ossium CEO, co-founder and president. Our findings demonstrate the potential of organ donor bone marrow to transform patient outcomes, and we look forward to engaging with clinicians and researchers at our booth. In addition to the presentation, Ossium Health will have an exhibit at booth 112. This will allow attendees to learn more about their organ donor-derived bone marrow and clinical programs. But here's where it gets controversial. While the initial results are encouraging, the long-term effects and broader applicability of this approach are still under investigation. Some experts may raise questions about the potential for immune rejection or the long-term health of patients who receive these transplants. What do you think? Are you optimistic about the future of bone marrow transplantation? Do you see any potential challenges or drawbacks to this approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below. About Ossium Health. Ossium Health is a bioengineering company focused on developing stem cell therapies for life-threatening hematologic conditions, organ transplant rejection, and musculoskeletal defects. Founded in 2016, the company is led by Kevin Caldwell, CEO, President, and co-founder, and Eric Woods, Chief Science Officer, Executive Vice President, and co-founder. Their manufacturing facility is FDA registered, and their laboratory is CLI certified. For more information, visit their website. You can also follow them on LinkedIn and X.